Discover the Homecraft Raised Toilet Seat, your perfect bathroom companion. Designed to raise the toilet height by 4 inches, it makes sitting and standing much easier, especially for seniors, injured or recovering individuals. Its adjustable brackets ensure a secure wobble-free fit on most standard toilets. Made from lightweight, stain-resistant plastic, it's simple to clean and build to support up to 190 kilograms. Enhance your independence, comfort today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a reliable and comfortable bedside commode? Meet the NJUN Commode, a versatile and sturdy chair designed for safety and convenience. With 5 adjustable heights from 33 to 37 inches, it offers a perfect fit for everyone. Its thickened seat cushion provides all-day comfort, while the anti-slip features ensure stability on wet surfaces. Made with durable materials supporting up to 880 pounds, it's perfect for the bathroom, bedroom or anywhere around the home. You'll find purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for reliable commode liners that make cleanup quick and sanitary? Introducing the JOCCIK Commode liners. These durable liners prevent tears and leaks thanks to a strong material and absorbent pads capable of soaking up to 35 ounces of liquid. Designed with easy-to-use drawstrings, they make removing and disposing of waste a breeze. Fits all standard commode buckets, perfect for home, hospital, or outdoor adventures. Now, each package includes 50 liners and 50 absorbent pads. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a safe and comfortable solution to make sitting and standing easier? Meet the PEPE Mobility Riser, a resistant and comfortable raised toilet seat designed for people with limited mobility, hip or knee pain or recovery needs. Its 2 twist and lock clamps ensure stability and safety, preventing slips. Easy to install without tools, simple to clean and compatible with most toilets. Perfect for seniors, caregivers or anyone needing extra support. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a comfortable and practical solution to make sitting easier? The NRS Healthcare soft padded raised toilet or commode seat adds just the right height with its 50mm or 2-inch padding, reducing the need to bend. It attaches easily to your current seat with simple hook and loop straps, making setup a breeze. Its white clean vinyl cover and foam inner provide comfort and hygiene, plus it's portable for holidays or outings. Enhance your comfort today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Toilet Commode chair, your perfect solution for comfort and convenience. With 5 adjustable seat heights ranging from 41 cm to 51 cm and total height from 84 cm to 94 cm, it adapts effortlessly to individual needs. Its robust carbon steel frame supports up to 200 kilograms, offering exceptional strength and stability. Lightweight, foldable and space-saving, ideal for home, hospital or travel use. This multifunctional chair serves as a toilet, shower or bedside seat with an easy-to-clean detachable bucket. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the HOMLAND raised seat, the safest and most durable solution for comfortable toilet access. Crafted with welded support rods and anti-slippery rubber feet, it can support up to 400 pounds with stability. Adjustable in height from 18.1 inches to 23 inches and width from 19.1 inches to 23.2 inches, it fits everyone perfectly. The extra large padded seat and non-slippery armrests in comfort and security. Plus it comes with handy accessories like a paper holder and storage bag. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.